Unit 9, Mixed Review, number 9. Which points on the coordinate grid represent ordered pairs where the y-coordinate is 3 times the x-coordinate? Shade 2 correct answers. So first we need to translate this statement right here into an equation. So y is, or equals, 3 times the x-coordinate. Now, of course, that x, that multiply sign, does not exist in algebra, so we're talking about y equals 3x, 3 times x. So we want to take the x number, which is first, and multiply times 3 to get the y number. So answer choice A, if we run then jump, we see that it is at 0, 3. Run to 0, jump to 3. So we got to take the x number, multiply times 3 to get the y. So does 0 times 3 equal 3? I don't think so. So A is out. B is at 2, 6. Run to 2, jump to 6. Let's check the math. Is 2 times 3 equal to 6? Looks good. So I'm going to shade in answer choice B. Okay, next one is C, which is up at 412. 412. So is 4 times 3 equal to 12? It is, so C looks really good. D is at 5, 8. 5, 8. So is 5 times 3 equal to 8? No, that'd be 5 plus 3, and so D is out. E is at 6, 2. Is 6 times 3 equal to 2? Nope, that's backwards. 3 times 2 would equal 6, but 6 times 3 does not equal 2. And so E is out. F is at 12, 4. 12, 4. So is 12 times 3 equal to 4? No, it is not. That's another backwards one. And so the two correct points are B and C.